Drafty rooms can make even a well-designed home feel uncomfortable. Cold or warm air sneaking in through windows often leads to uneven temperatures and wasted comfort. For homeowners in Eagle, casement windows provide an effective solution for reducing drafts and creating more comfortable living spaces. Their unique design helps block unwanted airflow while maintaining ease of use and everyday practicality. Wide drafts are common around older windows. Over time, windows can lose their ability to seal tightly. Frames may shift, seals can wear down, and gaps can develop around the edges. In Eagle homes, these small openings allow outside air to move freely inside, creating noticeable drafts near windows. Casement windows are designed to address this issue by creating a tighter closure. The compression seal advantage. One of the defining features of casement windows is their compression seal. When the window closes, the sash presses firmly against the frame. This pressure creates a strong seal that limits air movement. For Eagle living spaces, this means less outside air entering the home and fewer drafts near window areas. Blocking air infiltration effectively. Unlike sliding windows that rely on tracks, casement windows close like a door. This design reduces the number of gaps where air can slip through. Eagle homeowners often notice improved comfort after installing casement windows, especially in rooms that previously felt drafty or uneven. Maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Drafts can cause certain rooms to feel warmer or cooler than others. Casement windows help stabilize indoor temperatures by reducing unwanted airflow. In Eagle homes, this creates a more balanced environment where living spaces feel comfortable throughout the day, regardless of outdoor conditions. Improving comfort near seating and living areas. Drafty windows can limit how homeowners use their space. Seating near windows may feel uncomfortable due to cold or warm air. Casement windows help eliminate these problem areas. Eagle homeowners can enjoy furniture placement near windows without experiencing temperature discomfort. Supporting better indoor air control. Reducing drafts doesn't mean sacrificing ventilation. Casement windows allow homeowners to control airflow intentionally by opening the window when fresh air is desired. In Eagle living spaces, this balance helps maintain comfort while still allowing for natural ventilation during favorable conditions. Enhancing overall home comfort. Comfort is about more than temperature, it's about how a space feels. Draft-free rooms are easier to relax in and more enjoyable to use. Eagle homeowners often report that living spaces feel calmer and more comfortable once drafts are reduced with casement windows. Long-term draft reduction. You can rely on casement windows are designed with durable hardware that helps maintain their seal over time. With proper installation, they continue to perform reliably. For Eagle homes, this means draft reduction that lasts year after year without frequent adjustments or repairs. Reducing everyday frustrations. Constantly adjusting indoor systems or blocking drafts with temporary solutions can be frustrating. Casement windows address the root cause of the problem. Eagle homeowners appreciate the simplicity of a window that closes tightly and stays that way. A practical solution for comfortable living. Casement windows offer a smart way to reduce drafts while maintaining functionality and style. Their compression seal design makes a noticeable difference in indoor comfort. For homeowners in Eagle, casement windows help create living spaces that feel stable, comfortable, and enjoyable every day, free from the discomfort of unwanted drafts.